how to turn off developer options on your Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to disable it quickly from your device settings. First, open the Settings app. After that, scroll down and tap on Developer Options. From there, once you're inside, look at the very top of the page where you'll see the main developer options toggle. It will be switched on. Right here, tap the toggle to turn it off. Next up, a confirmation pop-up might appear on some devices, letting you know that turning this off will reset all your developer settings. Tap OK to confirm only if prompted. In many cases, you won't be asked for any confirmation. The developer option will be turned off instantly. Finally, developer options will now be hidden from your settings menu, and all developer features will be fully disabled on your device. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.